Collect impactful data on every joint via your hardwired centralized database or the cloud. Integrate your barcode scanner to capture specific PCB serial numbers for full tip, board, and operator traceability. Export raw data from the application to a CSV file for analysis. Exportable data examples: number of solder joints, temperature and power profile, connection validation pass-fail, tip used, serial number, lot codes, and geometry. The information from each solder event is stored using a standard database structure, ensuring the data is compatible with standard database applications. Admins can either extract the database and access it on the hard drive, or send it to an email address. Log in at the admin screen. Click the Extract/Email button. Click the Extract button. Two versions of the database will be extracted. Their locations will be displayed on the left. Extracted op.csv is data on all solder joints, timestamps, temperature profiles, etc. Extracted st.csv is data on which stations are on or off at a given time. Simply navigate to the displayed path to locate the database CSV files. Extracting the database and sending it via email. Log in at the admin screen. On the next screen, click the Email button. You will need to fill in the SMTP server IP and the SMTP server port number of your email server. Type in details for the from and subject lines. Leave the key field blank. Click Set. Enter the email address you would like to send the database to in the Enter Email field at the bottom center of the screen. Click the Extract/Email button. The database has been emailed to the chosen address. Click Close. Analyzing the CV-IOT data. Open the CSV data and copy all the data in a column. Click on Insert, Recommended Charts. Click on OK. Excel shows a chart of details.